Welcome back to dptutorials.
In this video, let us learn about the combo chat. Combo chats are powerful tools that allow you to combine two or more chat types into a single chat, making it easier to compare different datasets. The purpose is, combination chats are useful where you want to validate the relationship between two variables that have different scales of measurement. Let us consider this example. We will use a dataset that includes the month percentage progress and cumulative percentage progress. And let's create a combo chart to compare months progress and also to show the progress trend. Select the range from B7 to D29. Go to Insert tab. In the Charts group, click on the Insert Combo Chart drop-down menu. Select the second chart, Clustered Column Line on Secondary Axis. You can click on Create Custom Combo Chart if you wish to create your own one. Adjust the formatting by either removing or correcting the chart title, remove grid lines, and add data labels. Adjust the colors of the columns and the line for better visualization. So we'll have something like this. Sometimes to ensure that the data is displayed correctly, you need to make some small changes. Right-click on the chart and select the Change Chart Type. In the Change Chart Type dialog box, make sure that the month's percentage progress series is set to clustered column and the cumulative percentage progress series is set to line. Click OK to apply the changes. And that's how you can create a combo chart in Excel. And here are some of the samples for your reference. Combo charts are a fantastic way to create and compare different types of data in a single easy to read chart. By following these simple steps, you can create and customize your own combo charts to enhance your data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.